Hi everyone, it's Marketing Melody, Marketing Your Way to Success, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to optimize your Facebook live videos after you post them live. Most likely you'll be recording these videos on your phone. After they're recorded, make sure you click the upload with HD button. You'll see it right on there. Usually it's not checked off. Click to make sure it's on, and then go ahead and upload and publish the video so that it stays on your stream. And then you're going to click on your business page where the video was recorded. Most likely it was probably on your business page. So you're going to click on the videos tab here on the left-hand side. And the list of your videos will show up here. You're going to click on the video that you want to edit and click right on the video. And then you'll actually have to click on these three little dots on the top right-hand side. It's not very clear how to edit the videos. Once you click on that, then you'll click on Edit Post. So when you click on Edit Post, you're going to come to a place here that allows you to really optimize your video and make sure that it gets found in search engines and make sure it stays relevant on Facebook, and just to make sure that it's more clear to people coming on your page what the videos are about. Now, it usually captures some sort of weird screenshot to be the main image. So something like this would be not something that you'd want as your main video image, the main thumbnail. So I'm going to scroll through, and did you guys know that there's 10 different images that it captures for you that you can choose from? So this one looks good for now. I'm going to choose this one. But if you want, you can customize an image, maybe create an image with the name of the video, and then upload it directly right here with this custom button where you can upload the file. That looks a lot more professional if you do that. You want to make sure that you have a video title. So the video title is not automatically going to show up. So I'm going to just quickly do this here. I'm going to title it How to Build Your Community with Facebook Live. And then you want to make sure you tag your video. And I'm going to tag the video with Facebook. I'm going to tag it social media. And I won't do any more now, but you get the idea that you can tag the video with different terms people might be searching for, different categories, to really make sure that the video is optimized and in the right category. Then you're going to go ahead and click on the Save button, and the video is saved with the new image and also title. However, there's another thing that I want you guys to pay attention to when you're doing these live videos. Many times you are going to be mentioning links, or you're going to be referring people to things. What you can do to make sure that that stuff stays on the video, you can click on editing the video one more time. And then up here, it doesn't look like it's a place for you to type. You can actually type more information. So what I like to do is I like to type in all the links and information I mentioned. So I'll say something along the lines of mentioned in today's video. And then I will go ahead and put different links here that people want to take a look at. If you recommend books, if you recommend different products, you can type them out, and you can make this as long as you like. So I usually have a list of a few different things I mentioned. Again, just typing out some gibberish right now to show you guys where to do that. So this is a part that you don't want to skip. This is a part that really helps you optimize a live video you created. Most people never know to go here, and they have a video and it just isn't tagged properly and it doesn't show up on their list of videos properly. This makes it look a lot more professional. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these for now since I don't need it right now. And then I'm going to save this, and I'll pull up another video I did just to show you an example of the links. And here is a video that I did earlier.
Hi everyone, Marketing Melody here, Marketing Your Way to Success.
As you can see,
thank you so much for joining in on the replay.
Caption here has a bunch of links that I talked about.
I am just getting set up.
And it has more information, but you can really take advantage of this. And when you share it, this caption will show up so people can go on here and click on the links of things that you mentioned during your video. So that's just a quick tip on how to optimize and title your Facebook Live videos. Many people think that it's just live and it's a one and done, but you can really repurpose it and do a lot of things with the video that you might not already know. So thank you so much. Marketing Melody here, Marketing Your Way to Success, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.